How to fix disable as some from fields have error. Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Million Artist YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix this error showing up on your upload, like you are trying to upload your videos and you have filled all the details, but whenever you are clicking here on the details, you are not able to click and you are not able to move to the other section. And when I try to close this, as you can see, disable as some fields, some form fields have errors. So in that case, what you can simply do is I just request you to do one thing. Like if you were uploading your videos and you are getting this error, then you have to go back. But before going back, you might have said everything, right? Like your title, your description. So you can just copy it in a folder in Notepad. So I'm just copying it, my description and my title and all other things here. Click on the tweak, and then if you have generated thumbnail from here, then you can simply download it. It is downloaded. Now what you can do is just go back, just reload it. Don't reload, just go back. Okay, just go back, and then from here click on the content. Okay, click on content, and then here you have to click back. So now you are here, as you can see. Now if as you can see, it is working now, right? So you do not have to do anything. I have already took the backup, but as you can see, all my titles, my thumbnail, everything is here, right? So everything is here. I just need to go and monetize and do everything. This is how you can fix it, guys. Just go back and do it. Okay, I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.